Hello everyone, in front of me is POCO F6 Pro and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open new message or any other area where you've got access to keypad. So you need to open this panel to change keyboard. Now tap on settings icon, select languages, tap on plus icon and choose the language that you want to use. Let's choose, for example, something more unique. Tap on done, and now you can either stay with two languages, so in this case you will have a word icon here to switch between them, or to have one language only. You can smoothly remove unnecessary one by tapping on edit, then smoothly mark the language that you want to get rid of, tap on bin, and as you can see this word icon disappeared. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.